Hey, what up YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's unboxing or unbagging video is gonna be on the cell phone case that I bought my niece. It is a Disney Collection one. It is has a photo of Stitch from Lilo and Stitch, and here's the case. It also comes with the lanyard. It's not a box, that's why I said unbagging. I still need to give this to my niece, so I'm gonna try not to break it. Okay. There's a bag. Let's see, it's kind of see-through, so I'll read it. It says it comes with a jelly case, ultra slim and custom fit to open, face design for easy operation, made of durable flexible material, smooth and touch and scratch resistant. It comes with the screen protector, ultra thin and optically clean without blocking your view. Anti-scratch coating provides instant protection from fingerprint scratches and dust. Easy to remove with no sticky residue. And it comes with a waterproof bag. I think this is the waterproof bag. Outer packing is made of PVC waterproof material suitable for vacation water suitable for vacation with which it's spelled GOO going to sea and water sports, waterproof and sand away, and it's a recyclable. Designed in Hong Kong, made in China. Okay. So good thing I didn't rip it apart, because this is the waterproof bag that you can put your cell phone in. Anyways, here is the case. Lilo and Stitch. She wanted a cute case for it. Comes with a styrofoam in it. Again, I'm gonna try not to tear things up because it is a gift. Here's the inside of it. Here's the hole that you're gonna tie the lanyard into. I think I'm gonna try to do it right now for her. Does not come with instructions though, so I never really had a cell phone case with the lanyard before, like that. There's the 3 holes for it. Here's a side. There's a button. And the hole, I believe that's for the manual silencer switch, whatever that iPhones have. Nice and glossy. I don't know what Stitch is holding right there. Looks like a voodoo doll. And here is the lanyard. Seems durable. Has plastic. Is that plastic? Rubber. Some type of... It's leather. Nice. There's that. And there we go. And that's all that this comes with. I'm gonna put everything back. And thank you guys for watching this YouTube video. Like, subscribe, dislike, comment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time.